Hi guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can fix the program cannot start because D3D compiler 43.dll is missing from your computer. So I will show you guys best solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch the whole video. First open up the any browser and just search for the DLL files and you will see the DLL files website on the top. So now you can just click on this website and here click on the search for your missing DLL files and just type here the D3D compiler 43.dll. So when you type in, just hit the enter and you will see the first file, which is the D3D compiler, which has the same file. Just click on the file and just scroll down. And now you will see is two architecture, which is the 32-bit and the 64-bit. So first you need to identify what your system type is. Go to the Windows search and type the about your PC. Now you can just simply open it. So once you open your system, and here you need to just look for the your system type, either it's have the 32-bit or the 64-bit. And for the 32-bit user you need to only download the first, and for the 64-bit user you need to download the all the two, which is the 32-bit or the 64-bit. Now just click on the download option. Now here you are, said your download will start in seconds. Now you can simply go back and also download the second, which is the 64-bit. Just click on this download option and then wait for it until it starts the downloading. So after these two files are downloaded, now you can just simply drag and drop these files into your desktop. So first you need to just drag and drop the file, and now you need to just simply locate what is the 32-bit file or 64-bit. Just simply click on the extract here. Now you can just delete the second file and also right click, go to the new and click on the create. And now here you can just name it the 32-bit. So these files have the same name. So we are just creating the folder so we can easily configure. So right click, go to the new and again click on the folder, and now here you can just type in the 64-bit. So now you can just right click on your 64-bit file and click on the extract here. And now you can just delete the second and drag and drop this 64-bit file into the 64-bit folder. So now you can just delete these zip files and go to the Windows search and type the file explorer and just open it. And now here you need to just go to the local disk C or where your operating system is installed and open up your Windows folder and scroll down and you will see the system 32 folder. Just you can open this folder and here you need to just open up your 32-bit folder and here you can just copy the 32-bit file, and it is for the 32-bit user. You need to only drag and drop the 32-bit file into the system 32. So after that, now you can go back, and if you are the 64-bit user, then you can just open up the 64-bit folder and right click on your file and copy this file and just drag and drop and just paste this file into your system 32. So it is for the 64-bit users, and then go back and open up your syspower 64-bit folder. Now here you can just copy the 32-bit file, open up your 32-bit folder, and now you can just simply copy this file and then you can go to the syspower 64-bit folder and right click and paste this file here. So after you paste your file here, I can create the notepad where you can simply see and where you can clearly see how you can do that. So for the 64-bit user, you need to drag and drop the 64-bit file into the system 32 and the 32-bit file into the syspower 64-bit folder. And for the 32-bit user, you need to only drag and drop the 32-bit file into the system 32. After that, now you can go back and simply restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is fixed. So guys, this is how you can fix this problem. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.